Back in February, President Donald Trump said Boeing's progress on the new Air Force One was taking too long, and he threatened to go another way, maybe even dipping into the used aircraft market to find something to convert. Well, it appears that the president has reached the end of his patience and is now repurposing a used Qatari plane to become the new Air Force One, and he's tasked one of Boeing's contractors to get it done. Last week, the Wall Street Journal reported that President Trump has contracted L3 Harris to retrofit a Boeing 747 previously owned by the Qatari government. In his defense, Boeing's delays are so pronounced that the president may not even fly in the new Air Force One by the end of his second term. The fight reaches back to late 2016 when Trump was the president-elect for his first term and threatened to cancel the order over out-of-control costs. The two sides reached a new $3.9 billion deal about 2 years later. It will be no small feat for the Florida-based defense contractor, which has been tasked with overhauling the old bird and having it in the air by this fall. At least they're familiar with similar projects. L3 Harris is contracted by Boeing to perform work on the new Air Force One's communication systems. At least one of Boeing's new aircraft was scheduled to be ready by last year. According to the Wall Street Journal's report, Boeing said the new planes may not be delivered until 2035, as it has struggled to construct the intentionally complex aircraft. But 2035? The frustrations were felt in the previous administration, which even considered switching to European competitor Airbus to get the job done. Before Trump took office for his second term, he tasked Elon Musk with moving the project along. And according to Newsweek, Boeing CEO Kelly Ortberg said Musk's involvement was helping the plane maker navigate through, quote, non-value-added constraints to move faster. Still, looks like it wasn't fast enough. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.